How to sign into X account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded X app in your device. If not, you can head over to the App Store or Play Store. Search with the app X and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You're gonna land to this kind of interface. Here you'll see the option of continue with Google, Apple or create account. If you have created your account using these options, Google or Apple, you can click on that option and you will be logged into your account. Also, what you can do is click on the option of login. Now here you have to type in your X account's credentials. Go ahead and type in the phone, email or username linked with your account. After you type in, click on next. Now you will need to type in the password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this option of forget password to recover it. Once you fill this, click on login and just with that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily sign into X account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.